You can select multiple model elements using a selection box. By default, selection boxes see and select entire solids. If you press the Control key once while the selection box is active, your selection box will only see faces. The tooltip at the bottom of the screen shows these different modes. The Control key cycles between these modes. If you press Control once more, your selection box will only see edges. When you draw a selection box from left to right, it will display in blue. Blue selection boxes will only see elements that are completely inside the box. When you draw a selection box from right to left, it will display in green. Green selection boxes will see all elements that lie inside the box and all elements that cross the boundaries of the box.